Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you what I purchased from Beautylish when they had the gift card event, but I'm also going to show you something else. I have told you about the Beautylish gift card event even before it was started, because I know that this occurs 2 times a year, and this year it was on around 24 of March or so. And what is the deal with this gift card event is that for each $100 that you spend on Beautylish, you are credited back to your account $20. And the good thing is that this credit is valid until the end of 2022. I already showed you that I got the Jeffree Star mystery bag that was retailing for $75 US. If you know me, I couldn't shop to Beautylish and not get a set of brushes. Actually, I didn't get a set of brushes. I wanted to get a set of brushes, but I was thinking on Sonia G, the Sky set. But I already have one brush from that set. And I did not like all the brushes. I didn't like the chubby one, the one that is for concealer. I usually don't use those kind of brushes. And one other thing I want to tell you guys about the Sonia G brushes is that you don't save even a damn dollar if you buy the set. So better buy individual brushes if you are not 100% satisfied with the brushes that are included in the set, because you are not saving anything. The brushes came in this lovely package and they were secured with this lace. Those are the brushes. Wait, they are not all of them from Sonia G. So what I got from Sonia G, I got from the blue set, I got the classic Crease, and this is the smaller version, and this is the mini booster. Love the handle, love everything about those brushes. I want to say that I was not very pleased with the fact that most of the brushes that were on my list, they were sold out. Last year when they had the gift card event, all the brushes from Sonia G, and not only, they were back in stock, but this year didn't happen. So I was thinking if I should get a backup for my favorite Crease brush, the Blender Pro, but I said I want to try this one. On the website you cannot realize, but later when I put them side by side, I will also do a close-up. I could tell that they are identical. Now maybe this one, the one that is with red from the Pro collection, you will say that it's a little bit more fluffy, but this is because this is used, whilst this is new. I haven't used it, so after I will wash it, she will take the form, the shape, and they are completely identical. Just the color of the barrel is different. So I'm very excited to have 2 more brushes from the Sky set in my collection. So mini booster and the classic Crease. Then guys, I'm very excited. You remember that I have told you that I want to get some Wayne Goss brushes. I wanted to purchase the whole set of this. This is the brush number 02, but I wasn't very fan of this loop, so I think he made this to hang your brushes. But where in my life I can hang this brush to dry? I don't have this kind of setup in my bathroom to hang my brushes. I have a drying rack that I bought from AliExpress, and I used to dry my brushes there. I'm going to insert a picture if you are interested about that, but I'm loving it. It's so soft. It's from the same goat hair, Saku something. I'm going to put the name of the goat there, and it's extremely soft. And the second brush that I bought, this handle I like more. This is the old collection, and he is not continue to produce this collection, unfortunately. This is the brush number 17, and it's a little bit more pointier than other brushes. Just as a comparison with the Sonia G, you can tell that this is way pointier. And all the eye brushes from this set, they are all like stunning. I don't know. I don't see the purpose that all the brushes are so pointy. So yeah, it was something that put me off. I might buy 1 or 2 brushes every time when I place an order with Beautylish, but yeah, the whole set, I thought that it's not exactly my cup of tea. This was everything I bought from Beautylish. So the 4 brushes and the Jeffree Star mystery bag, and also I received a small gift with purchase. This is by Briogeo. Curl Charisma Rice Amino plus Avocado Hydrating and Defining Mask, and I'm actually just using the regular size that I got from Cult Beauty in the edit box, hair edit box or so. Very much loving it. It's doing wonder for my curly hair. So this was the order on Beautylish. Now Referral, on the same time, they had their annual 40% sale on the concept store, and some of the products, especially the sets, were discounted up to 50%. So the Referral brushes are very similar with the one from Wayne Goss. Just the price is more affordable, especially when they are on sale. But if you are a regular customer on Referral, you are all the time getting 40% off, because upon you purchase a product within a month or so, you are invited to review, and after you submit your review on their website, you are automatically getting 40% on your next order, because Referral is a company that it's working based on the customer input. So everything they do to upon or based on customer review. And I had my eyes on this brush that was all the time sold out. This is the brush number 22. I did a Instagram post when I received it. So this is the package that came in. And look, she's so big. I haven't used it, but it's amazingly soft. So just to compare it as a softness with the one from Wayne Goss. Okay, I can tell that this is just slightly more rough, but no, you don't have to believe that it's more not soft. It's just slight difference on the probably the way they treated the hair. So I think this is more natural, like they cut it from the actual goat. So I cannot wait to use it for my bronzer. It's the bronzer brush, and just as a comparison with the brush that I had before, this is your blush brush, but you can also use it for bronzer. This is number 24. So this was my biggest brush from Referral, and now I have this one. Actually, I have a foundation brush that it's like between those sizes. So I'm going to link the brushes down below. I hope the sale is still valid by the time I am posting this video. And now we are moving forward with a nice, lovely PR package that BK Beauty sent it a while ago. I was mentioning it in my Get Ready With Me videos, but I never showed you exactly what I received. I just did a Instagram post, and I have now the time to show you. So I received a very generous PR package about a month ago that came in this lovely box, and inside I got this card because, among other things, I got sent the full set of Angie Hot and Flashy brushes that now are available to purchase them individually. So celebrate beauty inside and out. 100% cruelty-free vegan fibers, more consistent fiber, less breakage, luxurious feel, flawless performance, superior pickup and payoff. I totally agree with that, and this is the gorgeous Angie Hot and Flashy that was the creator behind the set. So you have the blush brush, the brush A506. I use it all the time, including this morning. I think I'm going to get a backup now that it's sold individually. I believe this retails for $28, but I have a discount code with BK Beauty, which is not an affiliate. You can save 10% on your purchase. Then you have a large fluffy brush that is very good for your crease, and two smaller for detailing. And I was thinking that this smaller brush reminds me, so this is the A502, reminds me on the Sonia G mini booster. It's a little bit longer, but it's very nice. I can do a precise work on my outer V because I have hooded eyes. It's very good for this purpose. And this I use it for detailing. This is the brush A504, and for my lower lashes, and also you can use to pack product on the inner corner. You do also get a shader brush, the brush A501, which is nice. Sorry that my brushes are dirty. I was not thinking that I'm going to film today, so from this reason I didn't clean them, but they are dirty because I use them all the time. And this is the A501. Two brushes are the A505. You can also do some detailed work, or you can use it if you do cut your crease. It does a great job. And finally, probably the most beautiful blush or bronzer brush, I use it for bronzer, is this angle brush A507. I use it today to apply my bronzer. So yeah, I highly recommend each and every of those brushes. They are now available individually on the BK Beauty website, and I'm going to have all the information down below in my description box. And they sent also the travel sets, and the travel brush set has this is your foundation brush. And just as a comparison, you know that 101 is my all-time favorite foundation brush, and as a comparison, this is what they look like. After that you have the brush number 107, which is a multitasking brush. You can use it for any kind of activities. You can use it for powder, for bronzer, for blush. So she thoughtfully created this brush to use it on the go when you are on travel, not to pack all your brush collection like I usually do. So I find it very nice, this brush. And also I have used it to apply my powder foundation. And after that you have your essential eye brushes, sorry, those three. So you have the 207, which is a pencil brush. You can use it also to blend in your outer V. The 203, which is your shader or shading brush. And 202, which I do not own in full size. It's your crease blending brush. So those are the brushes. And as a comparison, this is the full size of the brush 203, that I have it in a small size, travel size. And this is the difference. The set, it's very user friendly, good to travel. If you don't want to put a palette here, you can put something as lipsticks or your beauty sponge. I just kept my BK Beauty palette because now I have everything from BK Beauty in the same place. And finally, but not at least, they included with the nice PR package, which was sent to me without any obligation. So they just sent it to me to try them and do whatever I want with them. Usually when a brand sends you something, they send a product in exchange of your review, but this was not the case with BK Beauty. They are very lovely, but I wanted just to show them because I love everything I received from them. So next they have sent me the entire lip collection, which contains 4 lip liners and 5 lipsticks. I absolutely love the luxurious packaging, and they are a joy to use. The closure is magnetic. I love this. This is the Acceptance. Now I'm going to tell you which one is my favorite. It's the Inner Beauty, if I can find it. This is my favorite lip color. I am not wearing it today. Today I have a Marc Jacobs lipstick, but this is the Inner Beauty. My favorite lip pencil is the one in the shade Pink Lady. You can see this in all my tutorials or videos in my description box that I am wearing the Pink Lady. They are matching together, but all the lip liners and all the lipsticks are meant to work perfectly together. So you can use any of those lip liners, those 4 lip liners with any of those 5 lippies. I also have the packaging. You have the color here, and the same applies for the lip liner. I cannot be more thankful and more blessed to receive such a lovely gift, and especially from a brand that I love, and a brand that was created by one of my favorite YouTubers that I watch from several years. So this was just filling my heart with joy, and this, guys, couldn't happen without you, because you are there to support my channel, and Julia's Beauty couldn't be what is it now without your help. So I want to thank you all for being a part of my channel, of my community, and for helping my dream to become true. Now let me know in your comments down below what do you think about those products, and for sure you are going to see them in my upcoming tutorials and get ready with me reviews videos. So I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch. Don't forget the most beautiful makeup, it's your own smile, and I'm going to see you soon with another video. Love you all, guys. Bye bye.